How to install axle back on 2018 plus Jeep Wrangler JL. Now you're just going to need a few hand tools to do this job. A socket wrench, you're going to need a 13mm socket, a 14mm socket, a 15mm deep well socket, a small extension will come in handy, and if you do have a 13mm ratcheting wrench that will make your job a little bit easier as well. The first step we need to do is to go ahead and use that 15mm deep well socket to loosen the factory band clamp holding the factory axle back in place. At that point we can grab that 13mm socket as well as the 13mm ratcheting wrench, and remove the 4 bolts holding the factory axle back exhaust hangers in place. Now there are 2 13mm bolts, one on each hanger, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. With those bolts removed we can grab the exhaust, wiggle it around and pull it out from under the Jeep. Now here we can go ahead and swap over those exhaust hangers from the factory exhaust to our new axle back exhaust. If you do have an exhaust hanger removal tool that will make your job even easier, but it's not required to finish this job. Using a little bit of soapy water or glass cleaner can help lubricate those rubber hangers to make them a little bit easier to work with. Once we have those swapped over, we'll go ahead and put the new band clamp that is included with the axle back exhaust over top of the pipe, slide it into place underneath of your Jeep, and we can go ahead and reinstall the 4 13mm bolts, 2 per side holding those exhaust hangers in place to the frame rail. And finally the last step is to use that 14mm socket to go ahead and tighten that new band clamp. In just a couple minutes you can have your new axle back exhaust installed on your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL.